Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We've got a killer car right here. Factory black with a red interior, stunning combination. It's body off the frame restored. My mistake. The numbers do match on the colors, transmission, and rear end. The 400 motor is upgraded to a 455. Numbers match motor, trans, rear, matching colors, and I mean loaded with options. Go to volocars.com. That's where you get all the specs, pricing, photos, top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars. They're all for sale. We're also going to address a controversy I started by calling these 442s. Technically, they're 442s. So we'll talk about that more in a minute as well. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in this 442. I love this car. Again, the colors, I have the windows up right now, but when you see the black against the red and how nice the red interior is, it's impressive. Body off the frame restored. The underneath looks like a new car. All the, like the fuel tank, the sending unit, the straps, the insulators, the fuel lines, all new. The brake system, all new. Disc in front, new parking brake cables. It's a new pipes exhaust system. I know the mufflers are new. I think the pipes are stainless steel. I think the pipes are too. It's got the cutout coming through the bumper with the trumpet tips. It's the rally suspension underneath, which is the box control arms, sway bars. The front end's all rebuilt. It has the VIN number matched Turbo 400 trans. It has the code matched. It's two-letter code, 12 volt. I think it's a 12 volt, but it is the original rear end in the car. So underneath is beautiful, so is the top side. Again, black, red painted on stripes on the hood and down the side. All the chrome is new. The eyebrows and the emblems, the bumper, the grills look like they're new. They're in excellent condition. All the stainless is either professionally restored or new. The wheel well moldings, the trim on the wheels, the marker lights look new. Look how nice the bumpers fit. That's one thing about the Oldsmobiles is they contoured right into the fenders front and back. If you get tweaked a little bit or the bumper's bent, they don't fit. This one fits real nice. The mirror is new. All the glass is new. It's a tinted glass. Every piece of glass is new in the car. New window seals, new door handles, new weather strips. I like the SS1 wheels. They're painted on a Chevelle, but the Oldsmobile, this is chrome with the black, and then the trim is new. BF Goodrich tires are new. I love the Oldsmobile emblem for the marker light. That's a cool touch. Power antenna, has a rear defroster, the mesh tray and all the trim in here, it's all redone. Inside the trunk, super clean metal, I mean really nice, and it's got a good coat of spatter finish. I don't know if they clear coated over it, but it's a good durable coat. New trunk liner, matching tire cover. It has a brand new BF Goodrich tire on a black rim for a spare, has the jack. The latches are new, the weather strips are new, the gloss paint's real nice. Inside the car, power seat, power windows, tilt wheel with the sport wheel. Got the rally gauge cluster, the tick-tock tachometer, factory AM/FM radio with an 8-track player. The radio does work. They've got kick panel speakers in back. It sounds really good. Bucket seats, center console. They said rear defroster. This is a loaded car. All new seat belts, and they did add retractable shoulder belts for the 2 bucket seats in front. I notice all the interior lights work as well. Look how nice that red interior looks, especially against the black. And it's all restored. New cushions, new upholstery, all the trim on the seats are new, and it's all color matched. All the chrome is new, the headrest. all been replaced. The side panels, look how this is all new. The armrest, the chrome backing plate, power window switch. Inside the glove box has a new liner. The light in the glove box works. We'll start it up for you. I was kind of playing around, trying things out. The power antenna works. The AM/FM radio, like I said, sounds really good. The power seat works, but it's real sluggish. Power windows go up and down real fast. They zoop, zoop. All the interior lights work, clock works. Idle comes down as soon as it warms up. I forgot to talk about the motor compartment. I also wanted to point out these marker lights. It's really cool. But the motor compartment's all restored. It's the VIN number match 400 motor, restored original type carburetor, all the components, the alternator, wiper motor, cadmium plated brake booster, all new. Got the fan shroud, air conditioning parts look new. So completely restored motor compartment. Yeah, car sounds real nice. When the idle comes down, it's got a really good muscle car sound. All the interior lights work throughout. Under the dash, the front of the console, back of the console, up in the roof, the mirror, the visors, the headliner's new. Now, when I was young, I bought a 442 because I couldn't afford the Chevelle. I became hooked on the cars. I went on to have 7 of them after that and didn't even care to buy a Chevelle. They're fantastic cars. So I've been involved in the Oldsmobile clubs. I've participated in events and won awards. And to this day, I called them 442s. Recently, in one of my videos, someone corrected me that it's a 442. I guess technically that is correct. That is the right way of saying it. Since then, I've been asking people, what do you call it? And a lot of people call them 442s. So leave a reply at the end of this video. What would you call it? A 442? Is it all right if I say that, or is it a 442? So let us know what you think on that. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact us. We can help with all your questions about the car, the shipping, the financing. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way to see these videos as we put them out there. So I appreciate everyone who's been watching, and stay tuned and come back for more.